A man was shot and killed in Enfield, St. Mary on Saturday morning. The deceased has been identified as 22-year-old laborer Lamar Hunter, otherwise called Toby, of Epsom in Anata Bay in the parish. Reports from the Anata Bay police are that about 12:16 a.m., citizens heard explosions and summoned them. On their arrival, Hunter was reportedly seen lying face down along the roadway with gunshot wounds all over his body. He was transported to the hospital where he was confirmed dead. Investigations continue. The decomposing body of a Canadian citizen was found in Maxfield Heights in Falmouth, Trelawney on Friday night. Police have identified the deceased as 62-year-old Norman White, otherwise called Andre, also of Maxfield Heights. It is reported that around 10:10 p.m. citizens found White's body inside his house and alerted the police. When lawmen arrived, White was seen with his hands bound and his head partially severed. The body was removed from the scene. A resident who identified herself as Marvia voiced her disgust at the incident. Statistics from the Jamaica Constabulary Force reveal that as of April 20, Trelawney recorded a 100% increase in murders in comparison to the corresponding period last year. This is due to 8 murders this year in comparison to the 4 recorded in 2023. A man who is alleged to be one of 2 who killed a businessman at his shop along Market Street, Kingston on Friday, January 26, is now facing a slew of charges including murder. Charged with murder, possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and using a firearm to commit a felony is 20-year-old Stephen Williams, otherwise called African, a laborer of Nelson Street, Kingston. Williams is charged with the murder of Glenn Simpson, also known as Sabi. Reports from the police are that about 9:30 a.m., Simpson was in his shop when he was pounced upon by Williams and another man who opened gunfire at him. Simpson was assisted to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries the following day, the police said. Williams was subsequently arrested and charged. A court date for him is being finalized.